Hello, and welcome back to Vintage Vittles. Today we're going to make my grandma's quick cherry cobbler, where you basically just throw cans and boxes of stuff into a pan, put it in the oven, and forget about it, and you have cherry cobbler. First, open your cans of cherry pie filling and smooth them along the bottom of the pan.
While Dennis is struggling with that task, I'm going to grease up the pan.
Alright, now that the pan is greased, we can start by pouring in our cherry filling.
Should I pour in both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spank it.
And I swear this never happens.
Brenton's used to that. Alright, you're going to do your best to spread this out evenly, break up any chunks that might have formed in the can. Alright, now we're going to add in the cake mix.
Ooh, just right on top?
Yep, it doesn't say you have to sift it, but we will just to break up any clumps that are in here probably.
Oh, that's true. It does take an entire package?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
And we have learned what a sifter is.
When were sifters invented? Comment below if you know when sifters were invented. It only took us that long to realize how to use them.
Well, were they originally used for baking or for gold?
I feel like baking.
I feel like gold.
Impossible. What was that?
That was on purpose.
What the?
Now we're going to melt these 2 sticks of margarine and drizzle it over the top.
I've never been more uncomfortable.
So now you're going to pour the margarine over the cake mix. Try and make it a little bit even.
Get ready for something truly sensual.
It doesn't say to mix it actually, so.
Okay. Oh, wow, okay.
Alright, now you're going to sprinkle a cup of chopped pecans over the top. Alright, now we're going to put this bad boy in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes.
Oh, that reminds me, I should have been preheating.
Alright, now we're going to put this bad boy in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes.
Oh man. Look at this delicious bubbling mess.
Brenton talking about his career. I let it cool for a few minutes after you take it out of the oven, so it's no longer lava and doesn't give you third-degree burns in your tongue.
At least let it stop bubbling. This is still way too hot, but it's just too delicious looking at this point.
Let's see if I can keep it in one piece. Oh.
Oh no. Yeah.
Oh no. Alright, if it comes out looking a little ugly delicious, that's fine. You can always dress it up a little bit.
When has whipped cream made...
With some whipped cream.
But when has whipped cream ever made anything look more classy?
Right now.
As to more like...
The cherry
the kids
makes it classy.
Denny's.
Alright, time for the only thing that matters, the taste test.
Just do it again.
Oh. This is so good.
That's delicious.
Like, we barely cooked. We just threw stuff out of a can in a box and put it in the oven. And it's way better than it should be.
Oh yeah. All of that. Oh my god. This animal.
Like, comment, or subscribe for more.
Thanks for joining us.